The importance of mulching can never be stressed enough. And I get absolutely mortally offended by walking past gardens and verges where they haven't put mulch down and it's just bare soil. Why is it so important to mulch?
Mulching is ideal for a number of reasons. Water retention, creating little micro ecosystems for your living organisms in the soil, and also preventing weeds coming up. So mulch, 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 please.
Okay, and what can you use as mulch? I know you've got this one, which is quite a fine bark mix.
Yeah.
You can get the bigger ones as well.
You can use anything as mulch as such. I mean, you can use compost as mulch because then you don't have to work in compost and mulch. You put in the compost a nice thin layer, as thick as you want, and allow the worms and the organisms just to incorporate it into the soil at their own. But general mulches, you can use bark chips, you can use bark nuggets. Some people like to use
dump rock and
stuff. I find that sometimes gets a bit hot. They tend to cook the soil a bit, but it's got its applications. So
I think it's the most important thing is to make sure, of course, that you're not getting that amount of evaporation, which cuts down on your water. And you don't have to use as much water, except the one that you get from sweating on your forehead, perspiration. But to put mulch down is the most important thing, I reckon, that you can do after you've actually made sure that your soil is in its correct
especially
state.
In our water scarce country, we're trying to limit as much as we can water evaporation so we don't water our gardens too much. So ideal, put mulch down.
So if you haven't done it yet, and we're in winter at the moment, well, go out there and put a nice thick blanket of mulch down on your beds. Your plants will thank you for it.